while.
Like the funniest shit right now. I mean, I haven't ridden it in shit like 3 months, but it feels like it's gonna fall over. Very interesting how this thing feels. Yo, so what's up, y'all? I'm out and about. Jumped on the R1. I gotta go check on the RX8. Had a little issue with it and sent it back to who did it to get it corrected. I grabbed the battery for the other R1, dropped that off at my partner's house, get that corrected. Jalen and I had a conversation the other day. I'm giving him the SCR because, believe it or not, he quickly, and I do mean quickly, outgrew the Zuma. Zuma's not going anywhere because the Zuma is mad fun. It's very entertaining to ride. It's great. He has ambitions to get on the R6, and I would like for him to. And I'm going to let him, but the whole goal for him to ride motorcycles is to ride them like this. And I don't think that I can quite trust his judgment yet, because at the end of the day, he is still a little child, and I can't just throw him out there and think that he's got it. He's gifted and, you know, very good with everything that he does, but I'm just not going to tempt fate, because that's all that it is. That's all that would happen. So anyway, I'm headed en route to make sure that the RX8 gets done properly, make any adjustments that need to be adjusted so that I'm confident that it's ready to roll. And I think I'm gonna get gas right here. Why does this bike feel so fucking foreign? That's strange as shit. Even bikes that I've never ridden feel this foreign. No, it got air pressure. Wow, it feels like the tires are flat or something. God damn, what is the deal? I want to hit this. It feels like this fucking thing is about to fall over. Which that is clearly an indication of tire pressure, but my tire pressure is okay. It looks like it's okay. So I'm really not sure what the hell is going on. Maybe I'll check the tire pressure once I get over here. Yo, what's up with the Rona kid? Huh? What's up with the Rona?
Definitely take that shit out and drive it around.
Is the shifter smooth as glass?
Yeah, it does not.
Because this car does no vibration at all. Right. So, yeah, the only other thing is let's adjust the pedal, because so the thing is, the pedal comes out too high, where this is the free play where it does nothing, and then you got the clutch action here.
So you want it closer to the floor?
It has to be closer to the floor, because I think that's what the problem was.
Vibration and shit is cool with you, like, I didn't like.
Well, I mean, you can feel it right here. I could feel it in first gear, and I was like, huh, interesting.
Yeah,
and
or, yeah, even, I mean,
you can feel it right here, just regularly.
Because I drove it, and I was like, I felt what you're talking about. I felt like vibration. I was like, that's fucking weird, because it's not like that when I was driving it when you came to pick it up.
Yeah.
So fucking.
Well, it definitely didn't. The drive home.
Yeah.
It just. I think I just started to notice it right when I was getting off the freeway. So I was like, maybe I'm tripping. Right. And then when I went to go down the street to get Jalen something to eat, and that motherfucker was like, when I took off, I was like, damn, no, this feels like it's got some vibration. there's a vibrational thing that's going on. These cars run super smooth. There should be absolutely no vibration in the shifter. At about 40 miles an hour, you damn near want to slow the car down. You can hear it. You can hear it happening right now. And it's vibrating like crazy. You hear that? It sounds like an engine. And then when I was on my way back and it had more, and I was only a mile and a half, it had more vibration and the mirrors was shaking. I was like, yeah, there's something wrong. So, yeah, I mean, I could feel it right here.
A few moments later.
All right, RX8 seems to be set up now. I'm happy about that. I'm not gonna pick it up, obviously, because I rode my bike. Pick it up a little bit later tonight or tomorrow. I think we found the problem with the bike while this thing was feeling so damn funny. Put an air gauge, pressure gauge on it. These things were up at 50 PSI. Now it feels better. That's why I felt like it wanted to tip over, because the crown of the tire was so much more prominent. It felt like riding this bike. Get the hell out the road. It felt like riding this bike at this weight on bicycle tires. It was just too eager to fall over. Now we feel good. It actually feels good now. I have to go bed the brakes in on the RX8. I just changed the brakes. The brakes looked crazy. There was supposed to be about 8-9 millimeters of brake pad. They were down to 3 and 2 1/4 on some of the brakes. And they had a very strange lip on the brake pad. It got, instead of it being worn flat, it was worn with a lip over the brake rotor, which I don't know what the cause of that was. And you know, I think I'm going to look into even changing the brake rotors. But I took the calipers off, reset everything so that it was certainly good to go. And I know everything's tight, you know, just kind of putting your hands on everything. And I did also kind of notice that I need to raise the front left, but we'll see how bad, if any, that it rubs at Sonoma.
But before we check out these brakes, let's check out these Falcon Azena 660s. These RT660s been putting in max work. I have not driven them on the street. Inner shoulder looks real good, no camber wear on the inside, and it's only been track work. I mean, these rears have been taking a beating, and I can vouch that these hold up to huge smoky ones coming down carousels, lockups, and brake zones. We only got a little bit of wear on that inner strip, the outside shoulder, but that's about it, and that might be due to tire pressure and some drifting down carousels or something. But either way, these RT660s is boss.